Ooh, we got 4 steaks.
Oh, we're living like kings, Sam.
Oh, we are.
We're living like kings. Sam wanted to know how to cook the perfect steak.
Yes. I've never cooked steak before.
You have cooked steak.
Yeah, but I just fry it in the pan and hope for the best.
Is that how you do it?
Yep.
You don't sort of time it or anything?
Nope.
There's a rule of thumb.
There is.
Using my thumb. Honestly, I've got taught this before.
On your finger.
I think my dad actually taught me this. I'm not too sure. He might have taught me saying. He didn't teach me much, but I think he taught me this.
Maybe less.
I think so. This here, if you hold your thumb with your fingers, that will give you the right rareness. So that there, and feel there on your thumb. You see how soft that is?
Yeah.
That's rare. Medium, rare. Medium, well done. See how tough that went?
Yeah, burnt.
See how tough that went? That's how my wife has it. Now she has it medium, I guess. She has it there. My wife has it back there. Some people have it. Tony has it there.
What, rare?
Tony, no, well done.
No.
Tony, like you quite like it rare, right?
I don't mind it rare.
And they're thin. They're thin. And there obviously some depends on the thickness of the steak. Will depend on how long you cook it for.
Yeah.
But it's about a minute difference.
Right.
So if you was to cook like a rare one, I'm thinking we go minute each side.
Bang bang.
So whatever you cook it for, rest it for the same.
Yeah.
So with a rare, we cook it for a minute, flip it, minute. Little bit of butter in it, blah, 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 rest it for 2 minutes before you cut it open.
And eat.
Because all the juice comes back together. And that'd be, yeah, not a bit of meat.
No, that's a bit of meat.
Medium rare is there. Yeah, that's nice. We're going to do that for 2 minutes aside, 3 minutes aside, 4 minutes aside. So it depends on the thickness of the steak, innit?
Right.
That's heating up, right?
We've got some rump.
We've got some rump, so what we're going to do, just a bit of olive oil over each side of it. Don't season it at this point. You can do, some people do, and I do sometimes, to be honest, just for quickness, but you don't have to. Rub it in there now. A little bit of oil. Not too much, and that saves oil in the pan.
Yes.
Yeah? Because otherwise, if you oil the pan, you stick the steak in.
Yeah, and it all goes a bit...
You don't need to, right? So just do that like that. A little bit of rump. Bang. Roll that down a little bit. We're going to go in for a minute each side, right? So, okay. You're going to come back to me when I flip that. That's 2 minutes. I'm going to go for a minute each side.
There you go.
That's a minute.
That's a minute on one side.
Now what you do, a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And then what we're going to do, let that cook for another 45 seconds or so. When it's had a minute, and then what we'll do, we'll stick in a little bit of butter. Finish it off.
Nice.
Yeah? And then we'll leave it with the juice on the side to rest. And then while that's resting, we'll move on to the next steak.
9,
Right,
8.
there we go. We're going to go in the pan with a bit of butter. But you see what I said to you about rare? Yeah?
Look at that.
Same as that.
That's madness.
That's the sort of feeling you're looking for. So you ain't got to cut it all open. Because my Ree comes along with a knife. I thought when she tears it out, is it cooked yet?
Yeah.
And before you get to it, it's like the butcher's been at it.
It's all mashed up.
It's all mashed up. Right, here we go. So what we're doing now, just run that bit of butter. Is that cooked, is it, love? Get that little bit of butter over the thing as well, Sam. Right, and that is rare. You could sit that on the side there if you want to. But you could do at this point.
Sear the fat.
Sear the fat, right? Sear the fat off. But this ain't the process of that. I'm showing you 4 steaks, right? So we just leave that there. Grab that butter. Anemic, innit? Ain't a bit of me, cuz. Let that come up to temperature.
And that sits there for 2 minutes.
Sit there for 2 minutes. Let that all go back together. Because at the moment it's stressed, right?
Yeah.
Let it all go back together and then we'll open it up and then you can have a look. That ain't a bit of me, cuz. Nada. The only way you'd get that browner, you know, like on a char grill.
Yeah.
If you put that on a char grill, that's cooking with electric as well. If you had gas, you'd probably get that a little bit browner on the outside.
Flame it up a little bit.
You'd flame it up a little bit so it'd look a little bit better, but the inside would still remain the same, right?
That's cold. Oh no, bro. You can't eat that, bro.
You said you wanted to eat a blue steak.
Yeah, nah.
It's rare.
I'll try it, bro.
That's a rare steak. That's what you'd get if you went to a restaurant and you asked for a rare steak.
Yeah, nah. Yeah, nah. Oh. That ain't a bit of me, bro.
That's a minute aside rare, bro.
Ah.
Look, round off each side, rare in the middle.
Thing's still moving, bro.
That a bit of you, no?
Nah.
You don't like that?
Oh, that tastes like blood. Oh, you know when you cut your finger and you put it in your mouth?
Right, here we go. Right, I'm going to go in now. 2 minutes aside.
So medium rare.
So medium rare. So now what we're looking for is there, middle thumb to middle finger. So you see the difference? Look at that, and now look at that.
Yeah, nice.
So now it's going to tension up a little bit more, right? 2 minutes each side.
Right, we'll come back to you.
2 minutes, you see that?
2 minutes on one side.
On one side, so that's another 2 minutes now on there. Go a little bit of butter, this time again, a little bit of salt and pepper.
It looks nice and brown now.
See that? That extra minute on that side made it look like something edible, isn't it?
That's a bit more, that is.
That, look at that.
That's dirty wine.
But you can see the difference though, right? Wait until you see that, and that will be still a little bit pink in there, in the middle.
It's that nicer on the top.
But it'll be browner on top and bottom, it'll be coming in, you watch. That is 4 minutes now, right? So that is medium rare. See what I said to you about that, Sam?
Yep. That's nice.
Yeah? And now what you want to do though, you want to rest that for 4 minutes. It's been cooking for 4 minutes, so you rest it for 4 minutes.
Oh, that one looks nice. That one.
That's a bit of me.
Yeah, that's me.
Let that sit there for 4 minutes. While we're doing that, we might as well go straight in with the medium one.
Yeah.
And we're going to cook it for 3 minutes each side, right?
There we go. Another one in. Right, we'll come back to you when that one's on the other side.
These ones are going to taste lovely, all the butter in there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Time for the flip.
3 minutes, right?
3 minutes.
3 minutes that side.
3
3
minutes,
minutes that side. Give it a little bit of season. A little bit of butter in the pan. And we've got another minute before we can cut that open. What do now? That.
Nice, and then this one's still resting.
Yeah. So that's not got long now actually. Stay with. Another 30 seconds or so. That'll be ready to cut open.
And this one's going to be medium.
That's going to be medium. And then we've just got the well done one
So
to
we've
do.
had rare, medium,
Medium,
and then that
well
one's going to be
done.
well done.
Like a leather boot.
Burnt.
That's a concrete boot, by the way. People keep asking.
Oh yeah,
Look,
it's concrete.
concrete boot, but with a real soul.
Yeah, and it's got hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer. So it's a very modern concrete boot.
Yes.
Right, here we go.
I'm gonna get
So
cut.
this was cooked for 2 minutes each side.
Yeah.
Rested for 4.
Nice.
All right. Bit of you, Sam.
Yeah. This is how I have mine.
See that difference?
Yeah. Nice.
What? So rare,
Yeah, look at that.
medium. See the difference in them?
Yeah, that's actually cooked.
That's nice, isn't it? That's nice. You can eat that. That's nice. You'd enjoy that. Still got the meaty taste from it, in ya?
Yeah,
Still blood, not bloody, but. You like that one? Bit of you?
Lovely, that is.
Do you reckon you're gonna like medium?
Not sure.
A little bit more cooked, because you've got another meat. You've got another 2 minutes of cooking time on it. ain't
Never
ya?
had it medium, and I've never had it well done.
Okay. Well done. I don't think you'll like.
No.
Well done. I don't think you like, because I don't like it. It's horrible. I think you'll like this.
Yeah.
I think you'll like that. That's dead.
Yeah,
Well, that's not. It's alive actually.
that's pretty much mooing. This one's banging.
That's lovely.
That's beautiful.
Yeah. Right. Give me a couple of minutes. We'll rest that then, because we're going to go for 1. Remember, cook for 1 minute each side, 2 minutes each side, 3 minutes each side. 6 minutes. That's going to rest for 6 minutes. Yeah.
Nice. Show them the bounce.
And that is it. So that is the bounce. Right. So the bounce is there. Yeah. Medium. Medium.
Yeah.
There.
Lovely.
Same there. Right. Still got a nice little bit of bounce. You're going to rest that for.
6 minutes.
Sure.
Yeah. 6 minutes.
3 minutes cooking each side. Total cooking time 6 minutes. Rest it for 6 minutes. While that's resting for 6,
Rare, medium rare.
I'm going to go in with your well done. You're going to cook this for 4 minutes each side. Ready?
Ready, go. We'll come back.
Yep. 4 minutes, yeah?
4 minutes. It's time to flip. Oh, yeah, look at that.
So that's 4 minutes. Cook for 4 minutes that side. As well, we've got 2 more minutes on that rest for there, because that was 6 minutes resting, don't forget.
Yeah, that one's resting up.
So you have a little bit more butter in there. A little bit more season at this point. And we've got about another minute and a half or so for that, and then we're going to get busy.
Lovely. I'm ready.
So that's been rested for how long, Sam?
4 minutes. 6 minutes. Sorry.
Here we go. So, rare,
Disgusting.
medium rare,
Lovely.
medium,
And this is medium.
yeah,
And then we've got the rare on the cooker. The
medium. See that got a blemish through it?
yeah, nice.
And then we're cooking the well done on the pan now for 4 minutes each side. It's 8 minutes cooking time in total, and that's going to be rested for 8 minutes.
Alright, lovely.
You like that? Try that then.
Have a little go on this then.
Try that.
Have a little go on this.
You can tell the difference, can't you? Medium's good, bro. Medium's good. See me, I like it medium rare, but when I cook for me and Ree, we normally have it medium. We have it medium because she don't like it too fleshy.
I'm not sure on that medium.
A little bit harder to chew.
Yeah.
Wait till you have that then.
Well, yeah, no, I'm here.
A little bit harder to chew, but yeah, because that you chew it and you swallow.
Yeah.
And it's soft.
It's like melts.
It melts. That's a little bit chewy and you've got to get through it. But
Yeah.
if you were having a sandwich, steak sandwich, you'd go in with that, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Go in with a little bit of medium.
Right, we'll come back to it when we're on this one.
Yep. Here we go. So that's had 8 minutes cooking time.
4 on each side.
Yeah. Still got a little, but
No, not much.
wait until that dry rest.
Rest that.
You're going to rest that for 8 minutes now, look. Rest that for 8 minutes. You can tell the difference of all of them, can't you?
There you go, and that is well done. So we'll get that sliced in 8 minutes.
The steak has rested, Sam, for 8 minutes.
That one has been resting for 8 minutes.
We will now cut.
Rare, medium, and now burn.
Listen, you can go cremated.
Yeah.
You can go cremated. This is cooking. If you went to a restaurant and asked for a well done,
You'd probably get that.
try that.
Have a go on it.
You never had a well done steak. But how do you cook it indoors then? What are you telling me you always cook it and it comes out perfect for you?
I don't cook it.
Still juicy.
Yeah.
Because added the butter to it.
I like that one more than this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. That medium's, I don't know, it just flaked. It was flaking in my mouth.
Look at the difference there, you can see, yeah?
Yeah, that one, that's still moving.
Minute each side, 2 minute each side, 3 minute each side, 4 minute each side. Rest for the total cooking time of the steak.
There we go.
There you go, ladies and
That's how to
gentlemen.
cook steak.
Mm-hmm.